In this video, we're going to learn the vocabulary for Chapter 6. The first sign is breakfast. The newer sign for this is the sign eat, morning. The older sign you'll see sometimes is breakfast with a B. Cook, like you're taking something, cooking it, and flipping it over. Dinner can be initialized with a D, dinner, or eat, night, dinner, dinner, or dinner. To drink, like to take a drink, holding a cup in your hand, drink, taking a drink. To eat, consume, dine. Food is a double tap, so you have food and you have eat. Fork, like with a V hand shape, fork. A glass can be a cup or a bottle. Sometimes it's double tap down, sometimes it goes up. The sign hungry or hunger, it can be appetite, crave, famine. It can even be starve, depending on your inflection. Knife. Lunch can be initialized with an L, lunch, or eat noon, lunch, or lunch. Napkin, like you're wiping your face, napkin. Plate uses the bent C classifier, modified C, plate. Restaurant, restaurant. Spoon. Thirsty. And then you have waiter or waitress is the sign serve-er. 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 Apple, with more of an X hand shape. Apple. Bacon, with a U. Bacon. Bacon. Banana, like you're peeling it off. Banana. Beer. Beer. Bread, like you're slicing bread. Butter. Butter. Cake, like you're cutting a slice of cake this way and that way, or sometimes you'll even see cake this way or cupcake. Candy. Candy. Cheese, using the palm of your hands. Cheese. Cheese. And the palm of your hands do need to touch right here. Cheese. Chicken, like in referring to a live animal, chicken. Or this can also be bird, or it can also be I'm having chicken for dinner. Coffee, like you're taking and grinding coffee. A cookie. Cookie. Corn, like the idea of eating it off an ear. Corn. Cracker. Cracker. Dessert, you'll commonly see the sign sweet. You'll see different variations with a D for dessert or things like that, but usually you'll see sweet. Sometimes you see dessert, sweet. Egg, like you're cracking an egg. Similar to the sign name and then going down, dividing. Fish or fish. French fries with an F hand shape going down. French fries. Fruit. Fruit. Grapes. Hamburger. Hamburger. Ice cream. Ice cream. Juice is J, drink. Juice. Juice. Yeah, if you're referring to meat or beef or flesh, you just grab this little bit of skin right here. This is like any kind of meat. It can refer specifically to beef or to your flesh. Then you have melon. You can have watermelon, or this can even be pumpkin. Milk. Nuts can refer specifically to peanuts as well. Nuts. Peach, like you're feeling the peach fuzz on a peach. Peach. There's two signs for pepper. So you can do pepper with an F hand shape, pepper, or like you're shaking a jar of pepper off. Pepper. Pineapple. You'll see with a P here, similar to the sign apple, but with a P, pineapple. You'll also see this one, pineapple, with an F hand shape, pineapple. The next sign you'll see is pizza. There are many, many variations of pizza. Some people sign P-I, and then for the Z's, they do a double Z, Z-Z-A, pizza, or you'll see pizza, or you'll see like holding a slice of pizza, pizza, pizza. There's a lot of different variations. I tend to use pizza or pizza. Potato, like you're up here, going around, going down. Potato. Salt. Salt. Sandwich. Sandwich. Soda. You use like your 8. Soda or soda pop. Soup is similar to the sign spoon. Sour. This can also be bitter or tart or acid. Sour, depending on your facial expressions to go with it. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Strawberry. Like you're holding the stem and taking a bite and pulling it out of your mouth. Strawberry. Sweet. This can also be the sign for sugar. Sweet. Tea. Like you're holding a tea bag and mixing it in your tea. Toast. Like you're toasting it on both sides. Tomato. Water, and wine.